Hello guys, in today's episode we have a question that said if 7 power 1 minus x times 4 power 1 minus x is equals to 1 over 28, what is the value of x? That's clearly what the question is asking. So let's see. For this, let's rewrite. This is 7 power 1 minus x times 4 power 1 minus x to be 1 over 28. Now there's a certain trick I will want to do here. I'll be having something like this by 4 power 1 minus x to be 1 over 7 times 4. We all know that 7 times 4 is 28, right? So I feel this is still same as this. So there's something I want to do here, but let me write it out first, then I'll explain. 7 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x is equals to, can I write this as 7 power minus 1 times 4 power minus 1? This is coming because of the reason that, let's check indices rule. It said that if I have 1 over a power x, is something as saying a power minus x, right? And at the same time, one more rule I will reference to is also that 1 over ab is something as saying a power minus 1 times b power minus 1. That's exactly what I did here, right? So that means for this, we are having, notice on the left hand side we have this, on the right hand side we have this as well, and we have this. That means I can just compare both sides and do whatever I will do. So for this, I can say 7 power 1 minus x is equals to 7 power minus 1 based on 7, right? And at the same time, 4 power 1 minus x is equals to 4 power minus 1. So let's solve. From the law of indices we know about, when you have same basis, you compare the powers, or you equate the powers, right? So we are having 1 minus x to be minus 1. That's for this, right? And at the same time, I'm having 1 minus x to be minus 1. Coincidentally, they're even having the same powers, which implies we're going to have something nice. The results are going to be same. So we are having 1 plus 1 equals to x if I collect like terms and solve for x here. And that's exactly what I'm still having here, to be equals to x, which implies I'm having 2 is equals to x. Oh, let's rewrite it to be x is equals to 2. And at the same time, x is equals to 2 for this particular one, 2. So that means our correct answer is clearly that x is equals to 2. You can do the checking and you see that exactly x is equals to 2 is the only solution that satisfies it. So let's check it out briefly. So if x is 2, I'm having 7 power 1 minus x times 4 power 1 minus x. Is it equals 1 over 28? So let's check. So if I substitute x to be 2, I'm having 7 power 1 minus 2 times 4 power 1 minus 2 to be, we don't know if it will be 1 over 28. So let's see. For this is 7 power minus 1 times 4 power minus 1, which clearly I'm already seeing it looking like 1 over 28. This 1 over 28 equals 1 over 28, which proves that our answer is correct. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.